Rounded shoulders not only looks bad, but it can cause major shoulder problems, neck pain, and even rhomboid pain. But stretching alone isn't going to fix anything. So here's what you need to do to sort out rounded shoulders for good. Rounded shoulders comes from three things: tight muscles that internally rotate the shoulder, weak muscles that externally rotate the shoulder and pull the shoulder blades back together, and a stiff rounded mid-back. So let's start off with a triple whammy exercise that addresses all three of those things. If you only have time for one exercise, do this one. Roll up a towel on a slight angle so that it forms a tapered roll that's about 40 centimeters long and 7 centimeters wide. Then lie face up on a hard surface with your legs bent and place the towel underneath your mid-back so that it extends from the base of your neck to your lowest ribs. You want the towel to be the size that makes it a little bit challenging to tuck your chin down and look straight up. This beginning position extends your mid-back over the towel to help straighten a stiff, rounded mid-back. Now do a floor angel. Start with your arms up and out, palms up, and slowly lower your arms along the ground. Keep your elbows and wrists back as far as you can comfortably and lower down as far as you can. Then rise back up, keeping your elbows and wrists back, and repeat that 10 times slowly. This strengthens the muscles that externally rotate the shoulders and the muscles that tilt the shoulder blade back to a straighter position. It also stretches the muscles that internally rotate the shoulder using something called reciprocal inhibition. So this is an awesome exercise for rounded shoulders. Next, let's loosen up some of the muscles that pull the shoulders forward. A lot of people with rounded shoulders have tight, knotted up pec major and pec minor muscles, particularly the upper part. So, first lie face up and rub just below your collarbone while internally and externally rotating your arm. Work your way out slowly, and then just before you hit the deltoid muscle, move down a bit. Stop on any tender points for 20 seconds and just press that point while moving your arm. Then for the second part, place your hand against a wall at head level, face along the wall, step forward with the opposite foot, and stretch the pecs with a slightly bent elbow. You can vary your hand position up and down a bit to find the position that stretches the pecs the best. To make it a bit more of an active stretch, you can push your body away from the wall with your pecs and then slowly relax the pecs to let them stretch out. And repeat that for 30 seconds on each side daily. A lot of people have tight pecs, but some people have tight lats pulling their shoulders in at the front too, especially gym junkies. To test your lats, grab the underneath of a door handle, step back and across with the same leg, lower your chest, and lift that side a little bit. If that feels tight, you can stretch that for 30 seconds each side daily. We've already strengthened the external rotators of the shoulder, so next we need to strengthen the muscles that pull the shoulder blades together. I like to do this in an externally rotated position, which gives the teres minor and infraspinatus an extra workout. Simply put your hands behind your head, pull your elbows back and down, and then squeeze your shoulder blades together. Repeat this 10 times with 5-second holds and do 2 sets every second day. This works the rhomboid muscles, and pulling the elbows down focuses more on the lower traps rather than the upper traps. If you think your mid-back is pretty stiff and rounded, I'd do one more step. On your hands and knees, reach right out and then lower your chest down until your back and arms form a straight line and your thighs are vertical. You should feel a stretch in your lower mid-back. Hold this for 5 seconds and repeat that 10 times daily. One thing to be aware of is that sleeping on your side with your shoulder pushed right forward at night can cause tightness of the muscles at the front of your chest that pull your shoulders forward. So try to straighten up your mid, back and shoulders when you're lying on your side, and then relax in that position to sleep. Now, rounded shoulders often come with forward head posture too, so I'd recommend working on that side of things with this video. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing because it always really helps. And let me know how you go in the comment section below. Okay, cheers.